Hello, bonjour. Today, I'm inviting you to forget everything you know about chocolate pudding. And why? Because I will use sprouted black-eyed beans. And why is that? Because it has more nutrients, less fat, more protein. So it's a win-win, and it's delicious, and it's easy to make. Should we start? Okay, so blender jar on the scale as usual, and here are our black-eyed beans. We add 200 grams of the beans. There we go. There. And we add 100 grams of the date paste. So that brings us to 300. There we are, right on. My gosh. And then we add 80 grams of water. I have it right here. So 380. There we are. 20 grams of cashews. So we're now at 400 there. And 40 grams of maple syrup. So 440. And there we are. And we add 5 grams of lemon juice. Make sure that you do it your own. You know me, right? The one from the grocery is just not delicious at all. And there we are. And we add our sea moss for the nutrients, for the minerals. So a 1/4 teaspoon of it. And there we go. And salt and vanilla. So a pinch of each. Salt and vanilla. Okay, and now we will use that special little lid that I have here with the Blendtec. It's a thick mixture, so you have to be able to mix it. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's all creamy. That's exactly what we need. There you go, everything in the bowl. And we add 40 grams of raw cacao. Yeah, it's very well mixed. And this pudding, I call it the Choco Bean Bliss. And here I have those gorgeous little dishes. Gorgeous, gorgeous little dishes. I love the color. I love the contrast it will make with the mousse. There we go. A little bit more. You have enough for 3 in here. And each portion, you know what? It's only 196 calories, only 3 grams of fat, but 7 grams of protein. So that can be your breakfast. Okay, and then what I suggest to do that would be nice is you sprinkle with just a little bit here. This is shaved white chocolate. And then here I have little mint leaves, and we can put a raspberry. Oh my gosh, look at this. To show you another option, we'll fill up another bowl here. Go. And this time I will use my knife to make the surface flat like this. And I'm using raspberry jam. So I'm sure that this is going to be a winner for the big child at home or the little child at home. Add some shaved chocolate, little slices of mandarin. We'll put a little bit of mint as well, and a raspberry. And there you go. And it is a dessert or breakfast that is nutritious, delicious, low in fat, high in protein, good for everyone. Make sure to like and comment and to subscribe to my channel. That really encourages me to make more recipes for you. See you in the next one.